Values integration. Group 8.
Good day, Sir Demetilio. Good day, classmates. We are the Group 8, and our topic is all about values integration. Values integration simply means a channel of values development through the teaching learning activities in the different learning area. Values integration will help students get life lessons through math. If the students find a learning material engaging and meaningful, then they will ask for more. Curiosity is the force behind lifelong learning. Associating values and behavior with mathematical concepts can serve as source of motivation for every student. When discussing values integrations in teaching mathematics, it generally refers to incorporating ethical, social, and cultural values into the teaching and learning of mathematics. This approach goes beyond the traditional focus on mathematical concepts and skills and aims to connect mathematics education with broader aspects of human values. Here are some ways in which values integration can be applied in teaching mathematics. First, real-world context. Incorporate real-world context and examples into mathematical lessons. This will help students see the practical application of mathematics in solving everyday problems, making subject more relevant and meaningful. Second is the ethical decision making. Discuss ethical considerations related to mathematical decision making. For example, explore the ethical implications of data collection and analysis, emphasizing the importance of responsible and fair use of mathematical tools. The third will be discussed by Ms. Hasmin.
Hello class! So for the continuations of Ria's report, we have the third, cultural relevance. Integrate diverse cultural perspective into mathematics instruction. Use examples and problems that reflects the cultural diversity of students, fostering an inclusive and culturally responsive learning environment. We have the fourth one, collaborative learning. Promote collaboration and teamwork in mathematical problem solving. Emphasize the value of working together, sharing ideas, and respecting diverse approaches to problem solving. We have the fifth one, critical thinking and problem solving. So, encourage critical thinking and problem solving skills by presenting students with an open-ended, complex problems that require thoughtful analysis. Emphasize the importance of perseverance and resilience in the face of mathematical challenges. We have the sixth one, environmental awareness. Connect mathematics to environmental issues. Explore mathematical concepts in the context of sustainability and environmental stewardship, fostering an awareness of the impact of mathematical decisions on the environment. So we have the seventh, social justice in mathematics. Addresses social justice issues within the context of mathematics education. Discuss disparities in access to mathematical education, challenge stereotypes, and explore how mathematical concepts can be used to advocate for fairness and equity. The eighth is values reflection. Provide opportunities for students to reflect on the values inherited in mathematical decision making. Discuss the ethical consideration of mathematical choices and their implications for individual and society. To summarize, integrating values into teaching mathematics education aims to create a learning environment that not only promotes mathematical proficiency but also cultivates ethical awareness, critical thinking, and social responsibility among students. So that's our report in values integration. So to demonstrate, we have Edsel Marie and Jamaica Hambora.
Ano nga ba ang karapatang pantao? Ang karapatang pantao ay tumutukoy sa mga batayang nagbibigay sa isang tao ng proteksyon laban sa pang-aabuso ng pamalaan na labag sa itinakda ng pandaigdigang batas. Buhay, kalayaan, kalusugan, mga pangunahing karapatan, kabataan, kalalakihan, kababaihan, at mga matatanda. Lahat tayo ay may kaniya-kaniyang karapatan. Atin itong pakatandaan at huwag magpapaabuso kahit kanino man. Karapatan nating mga kabataan na mag-aral. Upang tayo ay magkaroon ng dagdag kaalaman sa mga bagay-bagay at magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan na makakatulong sa ating pamilya at sa ating pamayanan. Hindi porket ikaw ay may kapansanan ay wala ka ng karapatan sa anumang bagay. Karapatan mo ding gawin ang mga ginagawa ng mga normal na tao hanggat sa iyong makakaya. Karapatan mo ding itrato ng tama at may pantay-pantay na pagtingin. Karapatan mo din na ipagtanggol ang iyong sarili sa mga taong nambubuli sa iyo. Ayon sa Universal Declaration of Human Rights, ay lahat ng tao ay may karapatan sa lahat ng bagay.
Are you ready for our topic for today? That's great! So our next topic is all about reading and writing numbers up to 100,000. Okay, does anyone in the class know how to read and write numbers up to 100,000? That's great! So, let's start with our most exciting and math amazing lesson for today. So, there are few steps that you need in reading and writing the numbers. So, first step is you must separate the digits into periods. Okay, so let me read this for you. So, this is 7, 80, 300, 6,000, 90,000 and 100,000. So, you should know the proper place value of each number and don't need to add S letter when reading numbers. It's not like 100,000s. No, the correct way of reading is 100,000. Let's move on in step 2. So, from the left, read the number form by digits in the thousands period followed by the name of the period. So, you must read first the thousands place, to hundreds, to tens, and to one. So, like this example, 31,000. For the last step, do the same with the units period without saying the name of the period. For example, 76,587. So you don't need to read it manually, like 70,000, 6,000, and so on. So instead, you read it in full. Please take note that zeros are not read when they are used to hold the place value of non-zero digits. It's not like 11,000 and 0 and 83. So the correct way of reading this is 11,083. So standard form, what is it? So it is a numbers written in a numerical form or in digits. So for example, in the plate numbers, numbers in the calculator, and dates in the calendar. So on the other hand, word form. So when the number is spelled out or written in words. So for example, 12,513.
It's practice time. Fill in the blanks. I'll give you 10 seconds to think of your answer. Number 1. Blank 1,000 5 blank 81. Yes, very good. 31,581. Number 2. 97 blank 100 blank. Yes, very good. 97,130. And the third number, blank, 1,000, blank, 100, blank. Yes, nice. 56,717. Now, let's translate from standard form to word form. Number 1. Nice. It's 93,542. Number 2. Great, very good. It's 42,637. The third number. Yes, very good. 53,165. So, very good, class. So now, let's try to read numbers together. When reading a number, always begin with the digits in the first period in the left and say the period where the digits are. Do the same with the units period without saying the name of the period. Number 1. 57,001. Number 2. 13,500. Number 3. 76,587. And now, let's practice to transform numbers from word form to standard form. Remember, write the numbers the same way they are read, starting from left to right. And to write numbers up to 100,000 in standard form, we use space to separate the digits into periods or group of 3 starting from the right, the first number. 13,522. 73,915. In writing big numbers, we use a comma or space to separate the digits into groups of 3s. We can do this by counting 3 numbers from right to left like this: 76,587. 1, 2, 3, and comma numbers from 21 to 99 are hyphenated words except for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. It's trivia time! Did you know that 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters as its meaning? F, O, U, R. It's only 4. It's activity time. I will give you 30 minutes to answer this activity. Write the following missing word number. Number 1. 10 blank 600 blank 3. Number 2. Blank 7,000 blank 170 blank. Number 3. 98 blank 200 blank 2. Number 4. Blank 1003 blank 30 blank. And the last number, number 5, blank 1000 blank 100 blank 4. So now let's check your quiz. Number 1. 10,683. Number 2. 37,979. Number 3. 98,262. Number 4. 12,331. Number 5. 16,744. Okay, very good. So now, let's proceed to your assignment. For your assignment, don't forget to copy that are written in the board. We will check it tomorrow. For your assignment, the blank of each sentence, write the following numbers in symbols. So this So this is the end of our demonstration. Thank you for watching.